Hey there. Tech fam, welcome back to Tap Tech. If you've been waiting for the next big leap in streaming and home entertainment, trust me, what I'm about to tell you might just change the way you watch TV forever. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we dig into the biggest upcoming gadgets so you don't have to. Today we're talking about the upgrade to Apple TV that could finally make it the smartest box under your TV. Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning into Tap Tech, where every rumor, leak, and rumor roundup about upcoming gear ends up before you buy. Today, the spotlight is on the next gen, Apple TV 2025. You might want to stay until the end. This could be huge. Asterisk, so here's what's going on with the 2025 Apple TV. Apple seems ready to push the envelope, not with flashy redesigns, but with serious upgrades under the hood. First, performance. The next Apple TV is widely rumored to ditch the older A15 chip and move to the powerful A17 Pro, the same chip that already powers flagship iPhones. That means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and enough GPU muscle to handle console-style games and graphics that look far beyond typical streaming boxes. With that power comes potential. We're not just talking streaming Netflix faster. Rumors suggest 2025's Apple TV could give you local video decoding for high-bitrate 4K HDR streams, real-time enhancements for subtitles and accessibility, and even on-device AI features. Connectivity is also getting a serious bump. Expect upgrades to newer wireless standards, Wi-Fi 6E, or possibly even Wi-Fi 7, plus an Apple-designed Wi-Fi Bluetooth chip for better network stability and lower latency. That gives better streaming, more reliable connection to controllers or headphones, and smoother cloud gaming experiences. For those who use wired connections or care about home theater setups, the new box is still expected to include Ethernet on higher-end models, perfect for rock-solid streaming or home server access. And for smart home enthusiasts, the upgraded Apple TV could become the central hub. With support for the latest home connectivity standards thread, Matter improved BLUETOOTH Wi-Fi. Then, the 2025 Apple TV might be more than just a streaming box. It could control your lights, sensors, smart speakers, and maybe even act as a voice assistant hub. But what about the design? Apple is reportedly sticking with the familiar puck-style design, no radical makeover this year. The appeal here: it fits easily into your living room media setup, yet internally, it's getting considerably smarter. Here's where things get interesting. Some rumors say the new Apple TV could come in two variants: a basic streaming-focused box and a Pro model aimed at gamers, smart home users, and anyone wanting maximum performance. That means flexibility, whether you just stream movies or want a long-lasting living room powerhouse. There could be something for you. Now, release timing. Many rumors pointed to a late 2025 launch, with some speculation around the holiday season. But as of now, nothing has been officially announced. And recent reports hint the release might slip to early 2026. So what does this all mean for you? Someone in a premium country or a fan from anywhere really looking to upgrade? Only stream shows and movies, the current Apple TV may still do just fine. But if you care about longevity, future-proofing, and getting the most out of new streaming standards, it might be worth waiting. If you're into gaming casual or controller-based, or want your TV box to double as a smart home hub, the new Apple TV could be a game-changer. If you own an older Apple TV already, treat this more like a potential living room computer upgrade, but wait for final specs: RAM, connectivity, price. What could hold you back? Well, there are no guarantees until Apple officially launches. There's always a chance the rumors may change, price could end higher than hoped, or delays might push things into 2026. So here's the bottom line. The upcoming Apple TV, whether called Apple TV 2025, Apple TV 4K 2025, or Apple TV Pro, seems poised to be more than just a modest upgrade. If Apple delivers on the A17 Pro or better chip, next-gen Wi-Fi, smart home integration, and maybe even gaming chops, this could finally be the kind of Apple TV that transforms your living room into a modern entertainment and home automation hub. Whether you buy or wait depends on what you value. Streaming convenience now, or future-proof performance plus smart home capabilities later. Alright, Tech Fam, there you have it. The next Apple TV could be a sleeper hit, or just another rev without enough to wow. If you're watching this from a country where premium streaming matters, would you wait or buy now? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Thanks for staying till the end. This kind of rumor roundup could save you hundreds, or make sure you hold out for something truly future-ready. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Until next time, stay techy. Liked this video, smash that like button. Leave a comment whether you think Apple will deliver, and of course, hit subscribe to stay ahead of all the leaks. This is TapTech signing off. Catch you in the next leak reveal.